Did you know Zimbabwe's favorite food is Sadza, a thick maize porridge you eat with your hands. Roll it into a bowl, dip it in sauce, and eat. Yummy. Shona word Sadza, thick maize porridge. Number 4. Names tell a story. Did you know in Shona, names have meanings? Tendai means give thanks. Ruvarashe means flower of God. Tanyaradzwa means we have been consoled.